other side of Chicago in Joliet. And yeah, it's snowing. That's actually my trip right there. Hey, Miss Sienna's got snow all up on her. Look at that prettiness. And out in the field. Yeah. And my shoes are just packing snow. Yeah, we're just, I don't it's like building a snowman but with shoes. What's up, baby? Don't you look pretty with your snow? She loves snow, by the way, if you can't tell. She is all about this life. Yeah, but it's just all snow. Well, it's still snowing, guys, and it's morning. There's quite a bit more snow. And then you can see Sienna in the driver's seat. She thinks she's gonna go somewhere. So it's deep enough it covers my shoes. And these are just the old feet prints I have from like 10 minutes ago. Now it's super pretty. So here's a good reference of how deep it is. Let's see. There. Oh god, that's so cold. So it comes up to about the top of my finger. When we get there, without a care. So we're in Wisconsin, and you can see that little thing right there. Yep, it's -7 outside. Actually more because of the wind chill. So we are out here now, waiting for Sienna here to take a poop. Because we came out maybe 10 minutes ago, and all she did was pee. And then she said, I'm done, so we got in the truck and laid back down to go to sleep. Because it's nighttime out. And now she's got to poop. But she won't just poop. No, no, no. She's got to walk around for half an hour to 45 minutes before she poops. When we get there, without a care, not even one. We'll rest our feet. We'll just sit back and listen. If we need this more than we know, then we'll get to where we need to. So we are pretty close to home at the moment, but we still gotta make a delivery. I think Miss Sienna can smell. I think she can smell that we're pretty close to home, because she is just super excited to be up here sniffing around. She just wants to go. Baby, there's nothing that way. Come on, let's go back to the truck. We'll go to bed, wake up, deliver in the morning, and then we'll go home. What are you looking at? What? There's nothing over there. Nothing. So yes, I did get my truck back, which is awesome. The fifth wheel release works, which is more awesome. And yeah, I picked up my load and we're headed home. Not home, but we're headed to deliver, and then we'll be going home. But I think we got 2.5 hours to go in the morning. We can deliver anytime from midnight on, so that'll be good. Oh, truck's coming. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye! When we get there, without a care.